Yeah, hi. My name is Rohan, and I am a part of Modit's Freedom Investor Blueprint course. I actually enrolled for this course just out of curiosity, having been from a little of finance background and businessman. I was really curious about what he had to offer. The course looked really good, but the moment I enrolled for it and I got access to Freedom Investor Hub, trust me, it is one of the best place to be in. All the courses, all the lectures, all the stuff has been really well organized there, well structured. The courses have been really explained so well that it is very easy for people from across categories or across stages in their investor life. It makes sense to them. So basically, you could be an amateur, you could be somebody who doesn't know about stock markets, or you could be somebody who has been trading for years. Modir has something to offer to for everyone. His each and every course that I have yet gone through have been so lucidly explained. All the concepts have been so well explained that it becomes very easy. They are well structured. I have made my own notes for that, and eventually it helps me track the markets every single day. His weekly mastermind calls are really, really helpful. The basic small things that we do not have time for, he will explain and he will take us through it. And once we have been, I mean, once I had been to a couple of weekly mastermind calls, I started noticing all the patterns and I started noticing all the stuff that we used to discuss in the mastermind call or in his lectures, actually on the real markets. I really highly recommend this course. This course is something that if you are looking at investment in such a way that you get financial freedom over a period of time, this is really the place to be. Thank you, Mudit. I really appreciate the way you have taught us. I really look forward to a lot of other mastermind course, and also look forward to your future courses so that me and others too can benefit out of it. Thank you so much.